Hey, welcome back to Chicinspire.com, where we make shopping fun. Today I found 5 simple kitchen gadgets that will make your life a little easier while giving you a boost in the kitchen. Let me know the ones you like in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Number 1 on the list is a favorite of mine, the 8-in-1 vegetable slicer. This peels potato, carrot, and onion. It's a grater with strainer, plus vegetable cutter. It's the best kitchen accessories you will ever need. This is the perfect gift or kitchen tool to have. It's a lifesaver. I have one and I don't know how I ever went without it. Get one today, links are in the description. Coming in at number 2, this electric cleaning brush. If you wash dishes every day, and let's be honest, who doesn't, this rechargeable scrubber is the upgrade you need. Powerful, easy to charge, and always ready to tackle dirty dishes. Say goodbye to scrubbing fatigue, grab yours today, and remember, links are always in the description. Number 3, fish lover's hack. Fish is delicious, but let's be real, scraping off those pesky scales can be a total nightmare. That's where this fish scale scraper comes in. With just a few swipes, your favorite seafood is clean, scale-free, and ready to cook. And the best part? Almost no mess left behind. Now that's what I call a game changer. Number 4, wireless electric juicer. Blenders are great, but peeling and removing pulp? Yeah, nobody enjoys that. Enter the wireless electric juicer. Just cut your orange, lemon, or any fruit you've got, pop it in, and let the juicer do all the work for you. It's quick, effortless, and honestly, I don't know why everyone doesn't already have one. Number 5, love boiled eggs but hate waiting around? Say hello to the microwave egg steamer cooker. In just 5 minutes, you can make perfectly hard or soft-boiled eggs. No stove, no hassle, no mess. Simply pop in up to 4 eggs, add a little water, and let the microwave do its magic. Whether it's breakfast on the go, meal prep, or a quick protein snack, this kitchen gadget saves you time and effort. Fast, easy, and delicious every time. These are my top 5 kitchen finds that have made life so much easier. With these gadgets, you can get so much more done in and around the kitchen. If you liked what you saw, check out the links in the description, or visit Chicinspire.com for more shopping ideas. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome finds.